I'm videotaping it. Jilly, who is that? Jilly, who is that? Is that your new little cousin? Oh, she's scared. My Jilly is scared. And you know what? Jill is tiny. So you could just imagine how tiny he is in comparison to her. And she's a peanut. Okay, don't do pee-pee on Mima's floors either. Go on the pee-pee paper. Jilly Bean. Jilly Bean. Hey, Godzilla. Godzilla. Let me see the baby. Move. She's checking her out.
He just hit her.
Did he?
He lifted up his paw. See? He lifted up his paw to her nose.
He's like, hey. Oh, he wants to play. He wants to play with her. Oh, I'm going to love it. He wants to play with her.
Can you see Mama?
Oh. He's having trouble walking. Is he going to do pee-pee-kaki?
I don't know. I want to get another boot pad because it was free.
He walks good on the pee-pee paper, but as soon as he gets to the wood, he flops.
He can't.
Oh. Come here. Come here, Munchkino. Come here. Come here, Munchkino. Come on. Come on, Munchkino. Come on. Come here to me, Ma. Come on. And cousin Jilly. Okay. Munchkino, come on. Uh-oh. Jill's shaking her tail. Her tail's wagging, but she's scared to death. Come on, Jilly. Come here to Mama. Jilly. He looks like he's carrying around 8 pounds of shit in the trunk of his body.
That's why his name is Theodore, because he has junk in the trunk.
Look at Coco. Coco's like, stay the heck away. What are you doing? You're moving my camera angle. You'll definitely lose weight.
Shut up.
Munchkino, come here.
Give me a second. He wants your slipper.
That's okay. He could have it. Everybody else is on there.
The shoes that you got me, he already tried going into them last night. Oh, see? No, he's trying to go onto the couch. That's what he wants.